This 2020 Jayco J Feather X23B is a expandable trailer RV. It is located in Clyde, Ohio, 43410 and is offered for sale by Town & Country RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8. The floor plan layout of this expandable trailer features rear bath, U-shaped kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Jayco J Feather X23B is 4,380 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Town & Country RV.